Hey friends, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply. This is the Naked Cluster Lashes by Ardell. These are the 421 lashes. I use them all the time. These are really great lashes. They look super natural on and they'll wear for several days if you apply them correctly. Now, you can use them with the Ardell Duo Lash Glue and they do stay on very nice. This is an invisible glue. It dries down clear and it adheres super strong. But what I've been using lately is my lash glue. This is the Gorgeously You Luxe Lash. This is the Bond and Seal. And I feel like I just get a little bit more wear out of the lashes with this glue. I will list these things down in the description box below. So these do come in lengths from 14 down to 8 millimeters. Today I'm going to be using a 12, a 12, a 10, and an 8 to create more of an uplifted shape with my eyelashes. So we're going to apply the lash bond just to the base of the lashes where the lashes grow out. You can do this with or without mascara on. Typically I do it without any mascara. I have just a light coat on today. I'm just going to press the bond or glue into the lash root. This particular wand is shaped with a curve, which makes it really easy to get nice and close and precise with that bond product. I'm going to do that to the other side. I like to get a little bit right here because they tend to get a little loose on me in the corner, especially when I sleep on them. I like to use an angled tweezer like this one that has kind of that flat end on it, but any tweezer would be great. So I'm going to go ahead and pull at the base of this. This is a 12 millimeter and just pull up. If you pull from the tips, you kind of bend the lashes, so always pull from the base. These are a clear band, so you don't really see the band on there. They're very delicate. And you don't want to press this into the waterline. You want it right where the lashes grow out. So I'm going to go in with another 12, and you're going to do it so that it curves up. So we're going underneath the lashes, getting close to the lash root. And then I'm taking the other side and just pressing up. Now I'm going to take a 10 millimeter. I just take my fingers and then switch this from the base to the tip. So I'm holding it by the tip, so it's curved this way and the lash band is down here. And just close to the root of the lashes. And again, if you stick it so that the lash band is in the waterline, it's uncomfortable throughout the day. Now I'm going to grab an 8 millimeter. And then just go on the inside here. Just going to press those up. So again, that was a 12, 12, 10, and 8. So I'm just going to repeat that on this side. If you'd like a little more drama, doing a 14, 12, 10, and 8, or 14, 12, 10, 10, you know, you can be really creative with how you configure your lashes when you use these clusters. A magnifying mirror helps. I'm 53, so my vision is definitely starting to show the effects of aging. Another 12 here. I'm just going to press that. Now I'm going on to a 10. And finishing off with an 8. Now I only need 4, but if you have larger eyes, you may need 5. I don't come too far in on the corners because you also can feel that and it can become uncomfortable, but everybody's eye shape and preference is different. Now I'm going to take the seal end. This is just a clear sealant. fan that to dry. It makes such a nice difference. I love wearing lashes. I wear lashes most days and just feel so much more confident with them. Once you get used to these, they go on really quickly, almost as quickly as doing your mascara. If you use the shorter lengths, sometimes they look so natural people wouldn't even know you're wearing lash clusters. If you've tried the Ardell 421 naked clusters, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I really love these for a drugstore cluster lash. They are so inexpensive and easy to do at home and save you so much money over getting lash extensions. I definitely can wear these 3 or 4 days. I have really tiny little natural lashes, but some people can get a full week out of them. I opt towards changing them more frequently than less frequently, but it really depends on the care. I would suggest really caring for them to get the most longevity. Each day you want to press in that bond. You could take a lash grab tool and go ahead and just refuse the lashes or press them down into the natural lash just for a better bond. I also frequently will just take the soft part of my finger and press upward like this to make sure the lashes are well pressed into the adhesive. You can also take a liner and just go over the lash root there if those clear bands are showing a little bit. But this definitely gives the eyes a little more pop. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sharing a piece of your day with me. I will see you in my next video.